Welcome to class 6 subject mathematics chapter factors and multiples, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. Today we will learn about prime factor, then prime factorization, concept of power, composite number. This thing we learn today. Now another thing is LCM and HCF, that is lowest common multiple and another one is HCF, highest common factor. So let's see what is prime factor. A factor of a given number is called a prime factor if this factor is a prime number. So suppose one example is like this: we have 12 and the factors of 12 are factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and here 2 and 3 are two prime numbers. So 2 and 3 are prime factor here, and you can write this one in another way also, that we will divide 12 and we will write it only by prime numbers. So how this will be? 12, so 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, so 12 is possible to write 12 is possible to write 2 square into 3. So this is the prime factorization representation. So what is prime factorization? This is the process of expression a number as a product of prime factors only. So the if you expressing prime factorization means when we are expressing the process of or to express any number in prime numbers as a product of prime factors. To express any number as a product of prime factors is called prime factorization. Next we will see how to represent any number in a prime factorization method. So suppose we have the example, we will take 36. So 36 can be possible to write. So for that we have to divide factorize this 36 to 18 to 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9. So we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 2 square into 3 square. This is the prime factorization representation of 36. Similarly we can, and this is the concept of power. If any number is more than once repeated, then we can write that every, how many numbers we have, 4 numbers, and all's power are 1. So if we multiply this, we will get 2 to the power 4. So if 2 into 2 is there, that means it will be 2 square. If 2 into 2 into 2 is there, it will be 2 cube. And if it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times it is, so 2 to the power 5. This is the concept of power. Now we will see HCF. HCF, that means highest common factor. Highest common factor. So first find out the common factors. So find, suppose we have taken one example, find HCF of 24 and 32. So first find the factor. In solution we have to find factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So these are the factors. Now factors of 32 are, factors of 32 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, nothing, only 32 will be there. So these are the factors of 32. Now common factors. Therefore common factors are, what are the common factors here? 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the common factors. And what is the highest between these two common? So 8 is the highest, and HCF equal to 8. So here 8 is the number which is the highest number in these common factors. So that's why here highest common factor is 8. This same thing we will learn in another method also, and that is prime factorization method. So HCF, to find HCF by prime factorization method, by prime factorization method. So how do you find out HCF by prime factorization method? So write, suppose we have to find, the question is find HCF of 144, 198. Now this one we have to do by prime factorization method. So we will factorize first 144 and we will write express it in prime factorization. So 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 18 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9. So 144, therefore 144 will be 2 to the power 4 into 3 square, then 198, 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 3 11 ja 99 and 33. So here we got 198 equal to 2 into 3 square into 11. So now we have to take the HCF. So therefore HCF of 144 and 198. So we have to take the common factors, common prime numbers between both these two number when we are finding HCF, and the lowest power. The lowest power is 1 and here it is 2. So the answer will be 9 to the 18. So the answer will be 18 here. Now we will learn HCF by division method. Find HCF by division method. Division method. So how do you find out HCF by division method? So first, I am taking the question. So what is the question here? Question is, find the HCF. Find the HCF of 513 and 783. Find the HCF of 513 and 783. So what will be the solution of this? How do you solve? So first take the smaller number as a divisor and the bigger number as a dividend. So it will go once only, one time. So the subtraction will be 270. Now by 270 we have to divide 513. So it's also once 270. So 3 remain, 11 minus 7 is 4, and 4 minus 2 is 2, 243. So by 243 again you have to divide 270. So one time 243. So if you 7 2 27, so 243 by divide by 27. So how many times? 9 times it will be 243 0. So therefore here HCF will be HCF of 513 and 783 equal to 27. So 27 is the answer. This way we have to solve HCF of two number by division method. Now if the number is more than two numbers, so suppose the question is like this: more than two numbers, HCF more than two numbers. So how do you find out? So find HCF of find HCF of 136, 170 and 255. 255. So what you will do here? So you have to do the division method. So first take the smaller number, then the bigger number. So only one time it will go. So what will remain? 10 minus 6 is 4 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So 136 divided by 34. So 3 times. or 4 times. 4 4 ja 16 and 4 3 ja 12 and 13. So 4 times. So again we have to divide by this 34, this 255. So it will 7 times. 2 7 4 ja 28, 7 3 ja 21 and 23. So 7 17. So divide this 34 by 17. So the HCF, therefore HCF of 34, HCF of 136, 170, 255 equal to 34. This is the answer. So students, hope you understood. So you go through all the problem and try to do yourself. So thank you. Have a nice day.